Welcome to paradise on earth. The Maldives, a breathtaking chain of islands in the heart of the Indian Ocean. With its crystal clear waters, vibrant marine life, and serene luxury, the Maldives offers more than just beauty, it offers an experience like no other. Here are the top 10 must-visit places in the Maldives. So hit subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and watch this video till the end. Your next royal vacation starts right here. Number 1. Malé, the capital city of Maldives. Begin your journey in Malé, the bustling capital. Dive into local culture at the fish market, stroll through Sultan Park, and witness the architectural wonder of the Islamic center. Number 2. Hulhumale Island. A blend of urban development and beachside charm, Hulhumale is perfect for beach lovers looking for a quieter escape, just minutes from Malé. Number 3. Vaadhoo Island. Bioluminescent beach. Come nightfall, Vaadhoo Island glows with natural magic. Witness the sea of stars where waves shimmer with bioluminescent plankton. A truly unforgettable sight. Number 4. Maafushi Island. For those seeking adventure on a budget, Maafushi offers guest houses, water sports, and authentic Maldivian hospitality without the luxury price tag. Number 5. Banana Reef. Diving paradise. A diver's dream, Banana Reef is teeming with coral, colorful fish, and dramatic overhangs. One of the oldest and most famous dive sites in the country. Number 6. Baa Atoll. UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. Home to Hulhumale Bay, this protected area is known for manta rays, whale sharks, and pristine biodiversity. A sanctuary for marine life and for the soul. Number 7. Addu Atoll. Southern Serenity. Explore the lesser-traveled southern islands. Addu Atoll offers World War II history, stunning lagoons, and a more laid-back island vibe. Number 8. Baros Island Resort. For a romantic escape, Baros delivers elegance, privacy, and luxury. Perfect for honeymooners or anyone seeking pure relaxation. Number 9. Fulhadhoo Island. Remote, peaceful, and untouched, Fulhadhoo is one of the best-kept secrets of the Maldives. Think empty beaches and star-filled skies. Number 10. Ithaa Undersea Restaurant. Rangali Island. Dine beneath the waves at the world's first all-glass undersea restaurant. A unique culinary experience surrounded by coral and fish. Whether you are diving into the deep blue, walking on powdery sands, or gazing at the stars, the Maldives is more than a destination, it's a dream come true. So, which island will you visit first? Please comment below.